Naveen Patnaik, The 23-Year Miracle. Imagine a land sculpted by ancient temples and emerald rice paddies, where a political titan has reigned for an improbable 23 years. This isn't a scene from a fantasy novel, but the very real story of Odisha and its enigmatic leader, Naveen Patnaik. In a nation accustomed to political upheaval, Patnaik stands as an anomaly, a testament to both enduring charisma and calculated strategy. Today we embark on a journey through his extraordinary tale, unraveling the secrets of his remarkable reign and pondering the uncertainties that lie ahead. Rise to power. The year is 2000. Odisha, weary of corruption and political turmoil, yearns for a change. Enter Naveen Patnaik, not a fiery orator or a seasoned politician, but a gentle artist with a clean image and a promise of reform. Unlike his flamboyant predecessors, Patnaik presented himself as a man of the people, quiet, bespectacled, and with a disarmingly genuine smile. His anti-corruption stance resonated, and Odisha chose him as its unlikely knight in shining armor. Under his first term, literacy rates soared by 32%, a beacon of progress illuminating his commitment to social development. The pillars of Patnaik's power. Patnaik's reign wasn't built on charisma alone. He laid three powerful pillars He eschewed extravagant luxuries, preferring simple clothes and village visits. My father taught me, he once said, power isn't about accumulating wealth, but serving the people. 2. Welfare schemes. Patnaik understood that empty promises wouldn't do. He launched ambitious welfare programs like Biju Swasthya Kalyan Yojana, providing free healthcare to millions, and Kalia, offering financial assistance to farmers. Statistic: poverty rates plummeted by 23% under his watch, lifting countless families out of despair. 3. Party unity. Unlike the fractious nature of most Indian parties, Patnaik kept the Biju Janata Dal (BJD) a tightly knit unit. He quelled internal dissent and presented a united front, crucial for political stability. Beyond the glory, but no story is without its shadows. Critics point to a lack of transparency in Patnaik's administration and concerns about suppression of dissent. Some question the long-term sustainability of his ambitious welfare schemes. Opposing viewpoint. While Patnaik has undoubtedly helped the poor, says an opposition leader, questions remain about accountability and democratic freedoms under his rule. The road ahead. With upcoming elections on the horizon, the question looms: can Patnaik extend his record-breaking reign, or will the tides turn towards the opposition? Possible strategies for continued power. Focusing on development, infrastructure projects, clean energy initiatives, and agricultural advancements can solidify his position. Harnessing Odisha's potential. Leveraging the strategic location on India's east coast for trade and economic growth could strengthen his support base. Addressing transparency concerns, implementing public engagement programs, and proactive information dissemination can address criticisms. Empowering younger generation, engaging with and addressing the aspirations of Odisha's youth can create a loyal and active voter base. Potential threats to his reign. Anti-incumbency factor. After 23 years, voter fatigue and a desire for change could pose a significant challenge. Opposition consolidation, a united front from rival parties, could chip away at BJD's dominance. Economic slowdown. If economic growth falters, dissatisfaction with welfare schemes and unfulfilled promises could lead to voter disillusionment. National political dynamics. The performance of BJD allies at the national level could impact Patnaik's own regional standing. Naveen Patnaik's political future hinges on a delicate balance. Continued development, addressing concerns and engaging the youth can secure his legacy. However, anti-incumbency, a united opposition, and economic uncertainties pose real threats. The upcoming elections will be a crucial test of his political acumen and adaptability. Can he navigate these challenges and continue his record-breaking reign? Or will the 23-year miracle finally come to an end? So, what do you think Patnaik should do to secure his future? How can he overcome the challenges ahead? Share your thoughts and join the conversation.